Ransomware attacks are a growing threat to individuals and small businesses. Are you ready? In this video, we'll discuss why ransomware readiness matters for your home or small office and how to protect yourself. We'll introduce you to the 3-2-1 Backup Blueprint, a simple yet effective strategy for data protection. The first rule of the 3-2-1 Backup Blueprint is to have at least 3 copies of your data. Next, store your data on at least 2 different media types, such as a local hard drive and cloud storage. Finally, keep at least 1 copy of your data off-site, safe from local disasters like fire or theft. You don't need expensive software to implement the 3-2-1 backup strategy. There are many free tools available. Popular cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive offer free tiers perfect for off-site backups. For local backups, consider free software that automates the process of copying your files. Once your backup system is in place, it's crucial to perform a 5-minute restore test. Testing ensures your backups are actually working and that you can recover your data when needed. Don't find out your backup failed when it's too late. To perform a quick restore test, simply try to restore a small, non-critical file from your backup to a different location. Don't let IT issues hold you back. Take control of your data security today. Implement these fixes to protect your valuable data from ransomware and other threats. Or, for expert assistance, contact Maddie at Asambe, your AI-first IT support expert. She'll have a reasonable response for your IT issues. Help is available.
Hit that subscribe button below and join our community.